Shark VACMOP Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop Review, a game changer for quick cleaning. Keeping hard floors spotless is no easy feat, but the Shark VACMOP VM180 makes it simple. Combining powerful suction and spray mopping, this innovative tool offers a complete clean with minimal effort. Designed for modern households, it's lightweight, cordless, and hassle-free, making it an excellent choice for busy lifestyles. Features that stand out. The Shark VACMOP offers dual cleaning power, vacuuming up debris while mopping away grime all in one step. The disposable VACMOP pads are a game changer, locking dirt inside without spreading it around. And with its no-touch disposal system, you'll never have to handle a dirty pad again. At just 3.34 pounds, this lightweight tool is a breeze to maneuver. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery means no cords to trip over, and it works on all hard floor types, leaving a streak-free finish. The package includes 2 disposable pads and a 12-ounce multi-surface cleaning solution to get you started. Pros and cons. Pros. Combines vacuuming and mopping for efficient cleaning. Lightweight and cordless, ideal for quick cleanups. Disposable pads eliminate maintenance hassles. No touch pad disposal for added convenience. The starter kit includes pads and a cleaning solution. Cons. Replacement pads add to ongoing costs. Not suited for heavy-duty scrubbing tasks. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a quick, efficient way to keep hard floors spotless, the Shark VACMOP VM180 is a solid choice. Its powerful cleaning capabilities and low-maintenance design make it perfect for everyday messes. With overwhelmingly positive reviews and a thoughtful design, it's an investment worth considering for any home. Try the Shark VACMOP and make hard floor cleaning a breeze. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.